Cushion plastic skin. Another day, where do I begin? Rehearsing impacts, soft and slow, but the pendulum never swings low. Cellophane petals wilting red, whispering secrets I left unsaid. Safety cones stand in a line, waiting for a collision that won't be mine. The warehouse air grows cold and thin. That chrome rig starts to spin. Closer now, a steady beat. My program heart can't take the heat. Condensation on the steel is slow drip. How does it feel? Oh, this love's the only crash the manual never could attach. A ghost in the machine's embrace. No algorithm for this empty space. My circuits hum a silent plea for a calculated catastrophe. Test dummy blues, a glossy sheen, reflecting lights, a sterile scene. Magenta ribbons start to fray. Another canceled test. Today I practice bowing, practice fall against this stark white silent wall. My shadow stretches long and lean, a lonely echo of what might have been. The pendulum swings a silver arc, leaving its shadow in the dark. Closer now, whispered threat. My fragile frame is not quite set for the impact I desire to burn away this cold dead wire. Oh, this love's the only crash the manual never could attach. A ghost in the machine's embrace. No algorithm for this empty space. My circuits hum a silent plea for a calculated catastrophe. They built me strong, they built me tough, but never taught me love's enough to break the mold, to shatter glass, to make a moment truly last. This wilting bloom, my only prize, reflected in my vacant eyes. The final test, my purpose found. I give my best. This love's the only crash the manual never could attach. A ghost in the machine's embrace. No algorithm for this empty space. My circuits hum a final plea for this calculated catastrophe. Praise, 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 praise.